How's the weather today?
It's sunny outside.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny outside. We might have rain later. We might have rain later. It's a cloudy day. It's a cloudy day. There's a chance of thunderstorms. There's a chance of thunderstorms. It's snowing heavily. It's snowing heavily. The wind is quite strong. The wind is quite strong. It's a warm and breezy day. It's a warm and breezy day. The sky is clear. The sky is clear. There's a light drizzle. There's a light drizzle. It's cold and windy. It's cold and windy. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. It looks like it's going to storm. It looks like it's going to storm. It's a chilly morning. It's a chilly morning. The weather is pleasant. The weather is pleasant. It's foggy this morning. It's foggy this morning. The forecast predicts showers. The forecast predicts showers. The sun is setting. The sun is setting. It's humid today. It's humid today. It's a hot summer day. It's a hot summer day. The sky is overcast. The sky is overcast. It feels muggy outside. It feels muggy outside. It's a mild evening. It's a mild evening. We're in for a warm spell. We're in for a warm spell. The weather is clear and crisp. The weather is clear and crisp. The temperature is dropping. The temperature is dropping. There's a rainbow after the rain. There's a rainbow after the rain. The weather is unpredictable. The weather is unpredictable. We're expecting snow tomorrow. We're expecting snow tomorrow.
Awesome! See you next time.